sila sa kabataang Pinoy. Nagpakatotoo sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Hinahanga ang buong bayan sa kanilang talento at responsabling hinarap ang mga hamon ni Kuya. Kaya naman, walang duda na napabilang sila sa Pinoy Big Brother 737 Team Big 4. Subalit sino nga ba sa kanila ang dapat tanghalin na Team Big Winner sa edisyong ito? Ngayong nasa outside world na sila, ano nga ba ang nakaabang na pagsubok sa kanila? Their most wanted answers and revelations. Franco Rodriguez and Bailey May on Aquino in Abudasin.
Bailey, Franco, welcome to the program.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Kayo ba'y matalik magkaibigan?
Opo.
Eh, bakit ang layo-layo yung nakupo sa isa't isa? Para kayo nila, okay, that's good. Nag-aalaga ka, among other things, ng mga baboy? Is that true? You have a pig?
Yes po.
May pangalan?
Wala po.
Wala. Halimbawa lamang, lalagyan mo ng pangalan yung baboy mo. Anong pangalan ang ibibigay mo? Do you have any suggestion?
Winnie?
Why Winnie?
I don't know. Winnie the Pig. Sounds good.
Ang dami mong ginagawa. You're a singer, you're a dancer, but you also dance and you sing, right?
Opo.
Who's the better singer?
Uh,
Hindi ka, yung totoo.
Well,
Who's the better singer?
he's a better dancer.
Just give me a song, just a couple of lines. After all, you are the internet sensation.
Alright. I'll sing in the chorus.
Okay, go ahead.
Now we're together. Never ever will I leave you. We're together. No one's gonna take you away from me. 'Cause you will always be the only one for me.
Sagutin mo yan. Go.
There was an empty piece of a shell, just mine in my own world, without even knowing what love and life were all about. Then you came, you brought me out of the shell. You gave the world to me, and before I knew, there I was, so in love with you.
Wow! Maraming salamat. Pag-usapan natin ng Pinoy Big Brother experience. Bailey, para sa'yo, what was the most memorable?
The most memorable moment was probably the first week.
What?
Kasi the first week everyone was together and we just, everyone got along with each other.
And the following weeks, nag-away-away na.
Yeah.
Most memorable.
Yung bigating concert po namin.
Biggest challenge sa loob.
Ay, ang pag-nominate po, yung pinaka-biggest challenge ko.
Dahil mahirap.
Yun po, at pag mag-nominate po kasi, ang pumapasok po kasi sa isip ko yung mga mabuting nagagawa nila sa akin. Kaya sobrang nahihirapan po ako.
Hardest challenge.
Probably saying goodbye to the people who got evicted. 'Cause, yeah.
It's always hard to say goodbye. And the most important lesson you learned.
Ang lahat pong nakikita po namin, lahat po namin nakakasama, mawawala din po at kailangan pong tanggapin.
Mawawala.
Opo.
Nothing is permanent.
Yes.
Yan ang ibig mong sabihin.
Yan po.
Responsibility.
Okay. Big Four. Bakit sa palagay ninyo kayo napasama sa Big Four?
Yun nga po dahil nakita po nila yung effort po namin sa loob ng bahay at nagpapasalamat din po kami dahil yun nga po, nakikita po nila.
Bailey, if there's anyone among the Big Four that doesn't deserve to be part of the Big Four, who is this and why?
Everyone deserves to be in the Big Four, so that question is really impossible.
I ask you the same question. Kung merong isa na hindi deserving sa Big Four, sino ito at bakit?
Wala naman po dahil yun nga po, lahat naman po pinagdesisyon ng tao at nakikita po nila yung
May mga nagsasabi, Franco, na ikay safe ang strategy mo, kaya kayo napasali sa Big Four. Do you accept that?
yun po yung pagpapakita ko po ng pagtitiwala sa sarili ko.
What was the worst thing said about Bailey inside? That you're childish?
Yeah, probably.
Okay. What do you say to that?
I guess I was just having fun. I was only 12, so yeah. And it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.
Team concert, how was it? Kumusta?
Sobrang saya po dahil marami pong bumili ng ticket at marami nag-cheer sa amin dun.
Yeah, it was really fun. Everyone tried their best. That's why the concert was so good.
Okay, I ask you the question. Why should you win?
I was just being myself in the house, and yeah, I was just being myself and showed all my talents in the house.
Ikaw, Franco.
Yun nga po dahil binibigay ko po lahat ng best ko, palagi po 100% yung binibigay kong effort sa mga tasks.
Let's do fast talk. Napakabilis na fast talk. In one word, describe yourself.
Sporty.
One word.
Sport.
Showbiz, career, or school?
School po.
Singing or dancing?
Singing.
Family or friends?
Friends.
If you're allowed to have just one name and contact number sa inyong phone, kaninong pangalan at numero ang aming makikita?
Barack Obama.
Barack Obama.
Yeah.
Why?
Because he's the president of the United States.
I understand that. There's one topic about you na magiging trending. Ano ito?
Yun po siguro yung pag-effort ko. Mga bagay-bagay.
Franco, effort. You're feeling right now using a hashtag.
Hashtag chill.
Fame or money?
Fame.
Your Instagram account, ano ang profile?
Official Baby May.
Ilona Barbie.
Elona.
Okay, good. Franco, pag nanalo, saan gagamitin ang premyo?
Sa sarili ko po muna dahil hindi po ako makakapag-help sa iba kung hindi ko po matulungan sa
You've heard of ATM, at the moment. Hashtag ATM, complete the sentence.
Feeling cool.
Hashtag ATM.
good.
Okay. Thank you. I wish you the best.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat. Sana isa sa inyo ang manalo.
Thank you po.
Dahil isang nanalo nun, di ba? Okay, keep smiling. Maraming salamat mga kaibigan sa ating pagbabalik. Yung dalawa naman na members po ng Big Four, Ilona and Chimboy, join us. Dito lamang po sa Aquino and Abunda tonight.